Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to continue on our process of promoting the $25 all-in-one business using My Lead Gen Secrets. And this is day 4 of this challenge, day 4. So we're going to check and see if we got any sales. We're going to refresh this page here. By the way, make sure that people refresh their pages when they're showing you their results. When they refresh the page, the real results show up. It's very easy to change numbers. Make sure they do that. All right, so what we're gonna get here is the real results. All right, I did not get a sale yesterday, but I'm not too upset about it because I've already gotten a sale on like the second day of this challenge, so it's not really. Oh, I can't show that. I almost showed people information there. It's not really a big deal for me. So I got overall 19 conversions, but like we promoting this product here. This is the link that you use in the emails, by the way. You want to use the all-in-one $25 business. That's what's going to take you to this page. I got it hooked up to my main income speech, so it's income speech sales. Very easy to remember, and like it doesn't look like an affiliate, but that doesn't matter when you're delivering emails because it's going to be hidden under a name anyway. So let's go ahead to My Lead Gen Secrets and keep it moving. All right, so we on My Lead Gen Secrets here. You go to the mailing system. Of course, if you already know, very simple to do. Log in. There's a link in the description for My Lead Gen Secrets, and log into that. Which it does, it gives you 100 people to email to every single day. Unless you get a sale, then it's 200 people. I have not gotten a sale on this account yet because this is my smallest account, so I only get 100 leads every day on this one. All right, so let's keep it moving. So we're gonna pick an email today. I want to go with this one: create unlimited income online for life. We're gonna go with this one. This performs really well for some reason. I don't know why. I get a lot of clicks. I don't know if I get a sale, but I get a lot of clicks on this one. And the funny thing about it, I don't have my picture or anything there. I just got an email, So we're just gonna go with that. Maybe I should pick my picture there or something. All right, guys, we're gonna pick my picture on this at the end here. Sincerely. Unbold that. Sincerely. Then we're gonna pick my picture here. Let's go find my picture. My picture is on I'm trying to remember. I don't fully remember my information here. Post. I'm trying to remember how to do this, guys. It's been a while. Oh, here we go. Here we go, guys. Got my image look here. So we're just gonna copy image address here. I'll go back to the system here. Sorry that I got it. I got it in a weird random place. I just did it real quick and didn't really think about like anything like that. So it's really big right now. So we're gonna smallen it. We're gonna put it on about 200. I think 200 is a pretty solid number here. There we go. That looks a little better. 200 looks a little too big. Hold up. Let's go with 170. 170 looks. How that looks? That looks better. All right, we'll go with that. That looks better. See, we got a photo now. That's all it takes, guys. You hit the preview, make sure the link works. Boom, it does. I want to do some more stuff here. I want to bold this. I'm just tweaking it a little bit, make it look a little more enticing. Oh, these two words here. start creating, expose that too. All right, so that looks good, better, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I like how that looks. That's a little bit better, a little bit more enticing. So we're gonna go with that, and we're gonna send an email, guys. That's all there is to it. Very simple, very easy thing to do. That only took about 5 minutes, only because it took me so long to figure out Imgur real quick. Cause I ain't messed with it in like a year. It's been such a long time. But anyway, guys, that's about it, to be honest. We send that email. The links are in the description. All right. So, and you can easily make money like this. And you just do this every morning, like I'm doing now. In fact, what you could do is show yourself doing it every morning and make a video about it, like I'm doing right now, and even get more sales. So it's all just add up, you know. You get a certain amount of people in here, in the system here. Let's go back to it. You get a certain amount of people in the system here, then all of a sudden you don't have to pay any of your bills, because people, you know, you got a lot of people in your system, and so all your bills, like say you get it up to about 3,000, not 3,000. To get it to 3,000, you're gonna need about 25 people to pay fully. 25 people to pay fully. I got 19 sales here. Now most of them don't pay fully. I'd say about 4 or 5 of them do. I'm just saying, the potential here is ridiculous. That's all I'm saying. This is the best system to promote online right now, I think. Okay, guys, that's all I want to say. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.